Welcome, everyone! As a doctor, I get asked about body odor a lot. It's totally normal to be concerned about it. We all want to feel confident in our own skin. So today, we're tackling this topic head-on. What causes body odor? It's not just about sweating. We'll break down the science and share practical solutions to feel fresher. Stick around and let's get you feeling your best. Now, before we jump into solutions, let's talk about a condition called hyperhidrosis. This is a medical term for excessive sweating, and it can really impact your life. Imagine sweating through your clothes even when it's cool outside, or constantly worrying about sweaty palms during a handshake. Hyperhidrosis isn't just about feeling embarrassed. It can actually interfere with your daily activities and even your emotional well-being. The good news is, it's treatable. If you think you might be dealing with hyperhidrosis, don't hesitate to talk to your doctor. They can help you figure out the underlying cause and recommend the best course of treatment for you. All right, let's talk about the foundation of feeling fresh, good hygiene. This might seem obvious, but trust me, it makes a world of difference. First and foremost, showering or bathing daily is key. And not just a quick rinse, make sure you're using warm water and antibacterial soap to really cleanse those sweat-prone areas. Pay special attention to your underarms, feet and groin area, as these tend to be the biggest culprits when it comes to body odor. After you're squeaky clean, make sure you dry yourself thoroughly, especially in those folds and crevices where moisture tends to linger. Remember, bacteria thrive in warm, moist environments, so keeping your skin dry is crucial for preventing odor. Now let's talk about a natural remedy that packs a punch: tea tree oil. This essential oil has been used for centuries for its antibacterial and antifungal properties. And guess what? It can work wonders for body odor too. You can find tea tree oil at most health food stores. Just a few drops diluted in water can be used as a natural deodorant spray, or you can add a couple of drops to your bath water for an all-over odor-fighting experience. Just remember, tea tree oil is potent, so always dilute it before applying it to your skin. And do a patch test first to make sure you don't have any sensitivities. Let's move on to a tried and true solution: aluminum-based antiperspirants. You've probably seen these at the drugstore, and for good reason. They're often the first line of defense against sweat and odor. But how do they work? Well, aluminum salts, the active ingredient in these antiperspirants, actually temporarily block sweat ducts, reducing the amount of sweat that reaches the surface of your skin. This means less moisture for bacteria to feed on, and therefore less odor. There are tons of different brands and formulations out there, so you can find one that suits your skin type and preference. Just remember to apply it to clean, dry skin for best results. Now, for those of you dealing with more severe sweating, there are prescription medications that can help. Anticholinergics are a type of drug that work by blocking the nerve signals that trigger your sweat glands. While effective, these medications do come with potential side effects like dry mouth and constipation. So it's important to weigh the pros and cons with your doctor. They'll help you determine if anticholinergics are right for you and monitor you closely while you're taking them. Remember, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new medication. You might be surprised to hear that Botox, yes, the wrinkle reducer, can also be used to treat excessive sweating. It sounds strange, but it actually works in a similar way. Botox injections temporarily block the nerve signals that stimulate sweat glands, significantly reducing sweat production. This treatment is particularly effective for underarm sweating, but it can also be used on the palms, soles, and even the face. Now, Botox for sweating isn't a permanent solution. The effects typically last for several months, and then you'll need to repeat the treatment. It's also important to note that this is considered an off-label use of Botox, meaning it's not FDA approved specifically for this purpose. However, it's a widely practiced and generally safe treatment when performed by a qualified medical professional. So there you have it, guys. We've covered the science behind body odor and explored effective solutions. Remember, finding the right approach takes trial and error. Listen to your body and be proactive. Seek professional help if needed. Hit like and subscribe for more tips. Stay fresh, stay confident, and I'll see you in the next video.